ho! Santa Claus is coming to town this week. But we need to see what he brought us, boys and girls. Let's see what's in this box. Ho, ho, ho! It's all of our letters and our letter sounds. That means it's time to move and groove with Miss Barch and Santa Claus this week. All right, boys and girls, get up, get ready, and here we go. W. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Your turn. W. Whoa, 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 whoa. H. Your turn. H. Ho, ho. U. U. Your turn. U. Next one in the package. C. C. Your turn. C. O. Your turn. O. A. Your turn. A. D. Your turn. D. R. Your turn. R. T. Your turn. T. N. Your turn. N. Easy peasy. S. Your turn. S. L. O. Your turn. L. O. F. F. Your turn. F. Flying to the North Pole. I. I. Your turn. I. M. M. V. Your turn. V. P. P. Your turn. P. K. K. Your turn. K. B. B. Your turn. B. B. Z. Your turn. Z. Two more. X. Your turn. X. Last one today, boys and girls. Coming all the way from the North Pole. J. Your turn. J. Like Jolly, our elf. Good job, boys and girls. Keep doing this video every day over Christmas break.